Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So jumping on here real quick, just a quick video. Recently I did a review video for Super Clean. I have a link popping up. I always get the side mixed up, but one of these sides, that link will pop up. You guys can see that video. Super Clean asked me if I could do a giveaway of their products. And I said, yeah, let's do it. So this is what you guys got to do to be entered. Go to my Super Clean video, all right? The one where I review it. Go there and comment Super Clean. That's it, okay? Not on this video. Go to the Super Clean video and comment Super Clean. And that's going to get you entered to win a Super Clean pack. I believe they're going to give you guys like a bunch of their cleaning products and all that. There'll be one winner. And the only catch is you've got to have a U.S. mailing address, all right? So you got to be here in the U.S. in order to enter this giveaway. Now, I also want you guys to keep an eye out because Saturday's video, I'm going to be talking about a second giveaway, okay? And what I want to do is go live this coming Sunday and give away everything, all right? So we're going to do a couple drawings live as long as everything goes well. In those, in that live video, we'll give away the Super Clean, and after Saturday's video, you guys will see what else we're going to give away, and I think you guys are really going to like it. So, again, if you guys want to enter for the Super Clean giveaway, jump over to that video. It popped up here somewhere, and it'll be linked at the very end of this one, and comment Super Clean on that video, okay, guys? And again, keep an eye out. Saturday morning, I'm going to be doing a review of some Saburrtooth tools, and I'm going to be talking about another giveaway. You know, Christmas is right around the corner, so why not just give away some stuff? That's my plan, at least. So, hope you guys have an awesome day. Keep an eye out for these videos, and hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I'll catch you later.